agi khrisstan.
They want to kill all Christians.
Ukwa ban peniap lot ka sarkari agi
They
khrisstan.
want to make India as a Hindu country.
Ki kwa ban pelong bakar India kan long kata kari Hindu.
Hindu country they want to make
Ki
it.
kwa ban kari Hindu.
And they want to kill, many Christians are being killed nowadays.
Ki kwa ban peniap khrisstan wat bon ki khrisstan lana peniap man gaswi.
There is no life for Christians in this India.
Don kata ka Yesus ki khrisstan re India.
Maybe it's not happening in your state.
Kalaban long kanam jahang ne post
Maybe it's not
begalaya.
happening in your state.
Kanam jahang ne rijongi.
But look at UP and problems are coming.
Pe thapo UP kani
Look at
pistamen.
Andhra Pradesh, the problems are coming.
Pe thapo Andhra Pradesh jingjynjar kiwan.
Lot of states are experiencing Christians are being killed there.
Bon ki state hakini ki rithor bon ki khrisstan apan yap ye ki.
Are you praying for them?
Hato bitu wahin to
The
joki.
problems are very bad in India.
O ki jing egon ha India.
They don't want Christianity in India.
Kinam kuwa banon ki khrisstan ha India.
Yes, they say this is a Hindu country.
Ki ongan ne ki riju ki Hindu.
Every country belongs to God.
Baro gari ka jong bulai.
Every country belongs to God.
Baro gari ka jong bulai.
Nobody claims that their own countries.
Amber no balaban bang kam gari joki.
All countries belong to Jesus.
Baro ki rigi Jesus Christ.
But devil is coming and killing Christians.
Hari soit wan ban peniap ki Khrisstan.
Devil is coming and killing Christians.
Uk soit wan ban peniap ban simega jingem ki Khrisstan.
Because he wants to build his own kingdom.
Namar ukwa ban tei la jong ka hima.
He wants to build his own kingdom.
Ukwa ban tei la ka jong ka hima.
At this kind of unhappy times,
Hagiri ka por ka bam sota
at
ka bam
this dangerous time,
ka por ka ba
get ready now.